Okay, now we're looking at significant figures. So the number of significant figures in the expression of a number is the total number of digits that are considered to have accuracy. It is not the same as the number of decimal places, which is a common misconception. And this is a good point. In this course, you're generally expected to work to 3 significant figures. So when in doubt, just go to 3 significant figures. So here we go. So here we have a note. Note that zeros before the decimal point in a number are generally not considered significant. If you want to make them significant, you should express the number in scientific notation. So for example, 4,000. So we say that's got 1 significant figure there. But this one here, see how there's a 0 after decimal place, so this is still 4,000, so 4.0 times 10 to the 3 is the same number as that, but it has 2 significant figures, and then this one here, again, that's 4,000, but it says it has 3 significant figures, and pretty much significant figures in experiments are basically how close can you measure to, so that's basically what a significant figure is. Alright, so we have a bunch of examples here. So complete the following table to show the number of significant figures and decimal places in the number given. So basically this exercise is to show that significant figures and decimal places are not the same. The first two have been done for you. So 1, 2, 3, 123. 3 significant figures, 0 decimal places. 1.23 has 3 significant figures, but it has 2 decimal places. This one here, again, 3 significant figures because all those zeros come before our first number. Okay, so even though they're after the decimal place, they come before our first number. So there's 3 significant figures, but 7 decimal places. So there's 6 numbers here. 3 of those we consider significant because the numbers come after our last number, but there's no decimal place there. Okay. Let's have a look over at some of these ones. So this one here is 1.2300. So because these numbers come after, these zeros become after the decimal place, they are considered significant. Okay, if we had zeros here, they would not be significant, but these ones here are significant because they come after the decimal place. So we have 5 significant figures and 4 decimal places. So this number here, alright, we have 0.0012300. Right, so these 3 are not considered significant because they all come before our first number, but these 3 zeros here are considered significant because they include after our number. So we have 6 significant figures and 8 decimal places. This one here, scientific notation, we have 3 significant figures and we don't count decimal places here because if we made this number bigger, it would be 1.23 million. Okay, so it would be 1,230,000 would be that if we expanded it out. This one's a little bit different. Okay, so again, we've got scientific notation, so they haven't included the decimal places. If we were to expand this out, then all these numbers would be after the decimal place. So we've got 5 significant figures here, but they haven't worried about the decimal places there. Alright, let's just go through them, the rest then. We've got 450, so we've got 2 significant figures and 0 decimal places. 4.5 times 10 to the 6 is 2 significant figures, and this formatting is a bit annoying, but we've got 4.500, so we've actually got 4 significant figures. Here again, we've got, after our first number, we've got 2 zeros, so we've got 4 significant figures, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 decimal places. This one here, this one's an interesting one. So we've got how many numbers? First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, because these zeros are all within other numbers, and these are significant, so we've actually got all 8 of those are going to be significant figures and 1 decimal place. Here, because this 0 has been included after the decimal place, we've got 4 significant figures with 1 decimal place. Here we have 2 significant figures and we have 5 decimal places. And here we have 6 significant figures and 3 decimal